Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Happy Blushes. In today's video, I'm gonna create this simple makeup look. So keep watching to know how I created this. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So let's get started with the video without any further delay. I'm starting off by moisturizing my face. Then I'll apply Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation in the shade Natural. This is a very good foundation for everyday use. I'll apply it all over my face and neck and then buff it using a buffing brush from PAC. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fitme concealer in the shade Sand under my eyes and on the highest points of my face. I'll apply Maybelline Fit Me Compact on the areas where I have applied concealer. Basically, the idea behind is to mattify those areas. Next, I'm using Benefit Car Brow on my brows. Next, I'm just drawing an outline to my brows using LA Girl concealer just to get that clean brows. I'm using Huda Beauty Smokey Obsession palette. I'm using the light brown shade as the transition shade. Next, from Smashbox Ablaze palette, I'm applying the burnt orange color on my crease. I'll cut half of the inner crease using LA Girl concealer. I'll blend the concealer well with the eyeshadow using a blending brush. Next, I'll apply the same burnt orange color on my lower lashes as well. Then, to make my eyes look bigger, I'm applying White Kajal from Maybelline. I'll apply Gold Rush blush from Benefit on the apple of my cheeks. I'll apply Ibiza highlighter from Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. Next, I'm using So Chowed from MAC and Icon from Huda Beauty on my lips. I'm applying Smashbox mascara to my lashes and finally setting my makeup by spraying MAC setting spray. So here is how it turned out. Do let me know your thoughts on this look. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, stay hydrated and don't forget to love yourself.